Cortisol is often called the stress hormone. It's produced by your adrenal glands. These glands sit on top of your kidneys. Cortisol plays a vital role in your body's response to stress. When you face a stressful situation, your body releases cortisol. This is a natural and healthy response. It helps you cope with challenges. Think of it as your body's built-in alarm system. Cortisol helps regulate blood sugar levels. It also manages your metabolism, and it even plays a role in reducing inflammation. However, when cortisol levels remain elevated for long periods, it can lead to various health issues. Chronic stress keeps your cortisol levels high. This can have negative effects on your weight, mental health, and overall well-being. It's essential to understand the impact of chronic stress on your body. That way, you can take proactive steps to manage your stress levels. High cortisol levels can lead to an increase in belly fat. This type of fat, called visceral fat, is stored around your organs. It's different from subcutaneous fat, which lies just beneath the skin. Cortisol promotes fat storage, especially in the abdominal area. When you're stressed, your body releases cortisol, which then signals your body to store fat. This is particularly true for the abdominal region. Elevated cortisol levels can also increase your appetite. This can lead to overeating and further weight gain, especially around the belly. High cortisol can also make you crave sugary and fatty foods. These foods contribute to belly fat storage. Managing stress is crucial for maintaining a healthy weight. By reducing cortisol levels, you can decrease fat storage and improve your overall body composition. Elevated cortisol levels have a significant impact on your mental health. Chronic stress and high cortisol can contribute to feelings of anxiety, depression, and mood swings. Cortisol disrupts the balance of neurotransmitters in the brain. These neurotransmitters, such as serotonin and dopamine, are responsible for regulating mood and emotions. When these neurotransmitters are out of balance, it can lead to mental health issues. High cortisol can impair your sleep quality. Lack of sleep further exacerbates stress and negatively affects your mood. It becomes a vicious cycle of stress, poor sleep, and declining mental health. Managing stress and reducing cortisol levels are essential for improving mental well-being. By adopting stress-reducing techniques, you can restore hormonal balance and promote emotional well-being. Section 4. Natural ways to tame cortisol. Implement natural strategies to regulate cortisol and improve health. Focus on lifestyle changes that promote relaxation and reduce stress. Regular exercise lowers cortisol and boosts mood. Aim for 30 minutes of exercise most days. Eat a balanced diet rich in fruits, vegetables, and lean proteins. Get 7 to 9 hours of quality sleep each night. Practice mindfulness techniques like meditation and yoga. Build strong social connections to buffer stress. Section 5. Belly fat and your mental well-being. Belly fat, particularly visceral fat, is not just a cosmetic concern. It also has implications for your mental health. Studies have shown a strong link between belly fat and an increased risk of depression and anxiety. Inflammation caused by belly fat can affect the brain. Visceral fat releases inflammatory chemicals that can travel to the brain and disrupt mood regulation. This inflammation can contribute to feelings of depression and anxiety. Reducing belly fat can have positive effects on mental health. By adopting a holistic approach that includes stress management, regular exercise, and a healthy diet, you can reduce belly fat and improve your mental well-being. Making lifestyle changes that target both belly fat and mental health is crucial. This includes managing stress, engaging in regular physical activity, and consuming a balanced diet. Section 6. A holistic path to wellness. Taking a holistic approach to your health is key to reducing cortisol, losing belly fat, and beating depression. It's about recognizing the interconnectedness of your body and mind. Remember that small changes can make a big difference over time. Start by incorporating 1 or 2 healthy habits into your routine. Gradually build upon these habits as you feel more comfortable. Celebrate your progress and be kind to yourself. It's a journey, not a race. There will be setbacks along the way, but the important thing is to keep moving forward. By addressing stress, improving your diet, exercising regularly, and prioritizing sleep, you can naturally regulate your cortisol levels. This, in turn, can lead to a reduction in belly fat and an improvement in your mental health.